You've always been our baby girl.
The video?
Ever since, you know, Powerpuff Girl days, and you went through your emo phase, and now you're just quiet. It's your birthday, we're supposed to, like,
talking about
you
emo
berries for your family. Your friends can talk good about you, but for us, we have to nurse you. Right? But you've always been our princess, you've always been our doll, where we dress you up and put makeup on you and cut your hair and mess up your hair. But we love you. You've always been sweet and kind and smart, and we know that you're only going to go up from here. So we just want to say happy birthday, best of wishes, and we're always going to be here for you. We'll support you with whatever you want to do in life, because we know that you've always made the right decisions in your life. Love you.
Thank you very much, ladies. Now for the next candle, let me call on Linda Lazo. Linda and Juliet Lazo.
Go, Auntie!
Hi. Hello, everyone. Hello, everybody. Hello. I'm Camille's aunt. My name is Julie. And this is her favorite aunt, Auntie Julie. And did you say anything? Auntie Linda. Cool. Auntie Linda. So say something, Nakong. Are you sure we are your favorite? All right. Thank you. Yeah, Camille. Please say yes for me. Every time I say, please say yes. Okay, Camille? I am very proud. We are very proud.
Tatay ako.
Proud of
Sorry,
you.
sir. Panauhin ko ang damol ako.
Beautiful. Very beautiful today, Camille. Every day in your life. As you start your new career and adventure in your life, going to college, and I know you're gonna be a doctor, and at least you're gonna be I'm gonna be your patient, okay? And then may God bless you today on your 18th birthday and every day of your life. God bless you, Camille. We love you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Linda and Juliet. Give me one sec here. You see that good-looking camera guy? I know you ladies look so beautiful. We don't want to see the back side. We want to see the front side. Okay, and kind of slant it a little bit.
You know why? First,
So ladies, face the camera. This man here on TMC, you're doing an interview with us. Okay. For next candle, let me call on Lilian Pagio, Karen Pagio, and Ann Pagio.
Happy birthday. Good evening, everyone. I'm Karen Pagio, Mia's cousin. Her aunt. My mom's supposed to represent us, but I guess she's gonna be fainting soon if she talks. Anyway, Mia, happy 18th birthday. We're so proud of you. On behalf of our family, we wish you that God will give you more courage in life to be able to grab the opportunities that will beat your way in the future, and also wisdom to be able to make right choices in life, to make you a better person, a better sister, and of course, to be a better daughter. Thank you and happy 18th birthday.
All right.
Thank you very much. Now for the next candle, let me call on Marie Carmen Lazo and Erica K. Lazo.
Yeah, man, too many layers, so.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Marie. I am Mia's grandmother and aunt. And this is my daughter Erica, her cousin. And my grandson is, and this is our grandson, Raiden.
Yeah, yeah.
Máu. Máu.
Yeah, I'm very nervous, Mia, but I wish you happy birthday. First of all, Mia, I would like to say how extremely wonderful, what a beautiful young lady you become as you grow up. Through the years, I have watched you grow and develop in a genuine, kind, loving person. Keep in mind, you are in the beginning of a critical milestone of your adulthood, and I would ask that you continue to maintain the value of being true to your heart. And most of all, always determine what life has offered because you are in control of your destiny. On behalf of my family and myself, I would like to wish you a happy 18th birthday. May God bless you and bring you to the path and glory, good luck into the future. Happy birthday again, Mia. May God bless you. Love you.
Alright.
And for next, I will be calling for the Uganda.
You look so pretty. Honestly, when you were walking in here, I was about to cry because I was like, oh my gosh. No, I'm about to cry now. You're so pretty. Oh my goodness. I remember when you were little and your brothers were picking on you and then you slapped them in the face because you're so mad. It happened. But yeah, I just can't believe you're 18 years old and you're so going to be successful and beautiful. And I'm so proud of you. And I'm going to cry. But I love you so much. And if you ever need anything, I know we have a big close now. But you're always welcome to come see me.
Alright, good coach, Carol.
Thank you very much. Now for next pedal, let me call Brianna.
Good coach, Carol.
Well trained.
Bigyan mo na natin.
Hello. I didn't know I was your fan until I opened the pamphlet. It's okay. Okay. I actually was gonna cry when walking too. I don't know why. But you've been my best friend since 6th grade, and
Wow.
we were really weird. We were so weird, and I'm so glad we're not like that anymore. Or like how you used to love My Chemical Romance, and your hair would be like right here. Then I was Panic at the Disco, so it was okay. But we were actually really weird. Remember that one time when we took my like mini Cadillac from my old house and drove it to Secret City? But yeah, you're honestly, I don't think I would be the person I am today for you because you're the first person literally in my life that accepts me for everything that I am. And we always have fun together, and I hope we always have fun together.
Like that.
Stay friends forever. And I love you. Happy birthday.
Now for next pedal, let me call Jeannie Marina.
Right.
Dude, I've known you since like 7th grade, and I love all the memories we have together, and like helping you with all of your cool costumes, and
Rated.
your giant glue stick that I thought was chapstick, and all that stuff. And I really hope we're still friends in the future, and we get to have our pasta dinner with mushrooms and everything. And you're 18 today, so woo, you know. So yeah, I hope you have like a really good 18th birthday and a great life.
Alright.
Thank you very much. Now for next pedal, let me call on Nina and Glenn Castro together with Tess for the Car Bautista.
Mia, are you ready? You ready to be 18? Do you know how much is in store for you? You gotta ask Ate and Bianca and everybody else in here. Not just being 18 because now you're a woman. And we love you. We want to wish you a happy birthday. We've seen you from when you were born up to now. Very quiet lady, but you're a heart. We wish you a happy birthday. Do not make me cry. But we love you. They love you too. Castro, girl. Happy birthday. I want to wish you, Mia, happy birthday. I love you.
Alright, we're done. Now, last but not least, the last candle, what we call Ria Putikar Lazo.
Hello. Okay, I have to read this. Your future doesn't lay in front of you. It lies deep inside you. Life is not about finding yourself. It's about creating yourself. When life becomes a roller coaster, climb into the front seat. Throw your arms in the air and enjoy the ride. Rise by lifting others. When life gets crazy, do something normal. When life gets normal, do something crazy. Life is all about how you handle plan B. Practice the art of listening. Play no matter how old you get. Find the joy in all choices you make. Remember, in the end, good girls always win. Never forget, I will love you forever, for always, and no matter what.
You okay, brother?
She wanted me to sing, so I have to sing an a cappella song for her.
Huh?
This is for you and your brothers. I have the best kids in the world.
Ayun, ayos ko eh.
You are the
Ayos.
one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me morning and sent me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me with all the mad sense I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you?
Yeah! Parang ito yung puso mo.
Alright, now if we get one big group picture with 18 candles.
Bababae ang tao. Sino may sabi?
Alright, 1, 2, 3, pose!
Anak ko, okay na eh. Sino ako? No, Mar, lapit kami yung bata.
Alright, let's give it up for our 18 candle participant. Now at this point, if we can have our birthday celebrant go to the birthday cake. And if we could please ask everyone, please sing a happy birthday to our birthday celebrant. last time. We have all the candles lit now. We're ready. One more time. Everybody all together. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Now hold your breath, make a wish, and blow all those candles. One more cake. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's give it up for birthday celebration from you, Leah Cardozo.